Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. We have 2005 Nissan Pathfinder with cranking noise start. But what was very strange is that when the car stopped, the technician opened he tried to check the crankshaft sensor. He found that the crankshaft sensor was broken, which is very, very strange. So let's go first, try to check this car to see if we have RPM or we have a signal or we have to check some data. So I'm going to go to diagnose and I will go to VIN, auto detect. My ignition is on. Also be sure that when you crank it, the check engine light must be steady, which is good. If this check engine light blinking, that means there is something wrong with the fuel, with the BCM relay also, or the BCM power relay. It may not be enough, but this one here, it looks like it's good. So let's go ahead and check the car, read the VIN number, and if we can get anything else, or at least have an idea what's going on. Do we have RPM or not? Nissan, accept. Okay, this is what you see here. I would say okay. It will analyze everything for me. Pathfinder R51. I want to see if there's any code. I want to go to control unit specifically. I will look at the engine. This one sometimes can give you a lot of information. Like for example, engine computer is not communicating. You know that there is something wrong because engine computer is not communicating. No, everything is okay. Check in and see if there is an RPM, revolution per minute, the crank signal. All this you need to check. Now I'm going to see if there's any code before we go crazy. Chain of immobilizer, one trip. I don't believe this one because immobilizer everything look okay. I will erase it now. I will say yes, yes. Then I will look at it again because the security light is going off. Read the code again. Intake air temperature sensor, that's not a problem. Let me see now. I'm gonna check one thing more. I wanna see the data. Do I have RPM? Main signal. Or you can select from the car. I'm gonna go back and I will go ECM. I don't need this, I need RPM. So I'm gonna click here, see while I'm cranking what I have. That's not too much or less. This is IP pulley speed. Okay, let me go to another one. Now I need this one. Engine speed. This one here. Very good, not bad. We have that one, it look good. We have good crank signal. So what are you looking for again? Everything look okay. Intake manifold, because maybe it's disconnected, but it will not. Main switch, main SW. Okay, let me see one thing here. Okay, any codes? Only three. So what we're gonna do is we have to check, do you have gas, do you have spark, do you have injector pulse? If everything is there and still the car doesn't want to start, we're gonna check the fuel temperature, you know, the fuel pressure, spray something on it and check if we have injector pulse. Where is the injectors? If we can disconnect one of the injector and check if we have pulse there, or maybe there is nothing on the injector too, who knows? Yeah, put it to me and then go crank it.
Now no bring spark.
Put it. So we don't have no spark. And what we have here? Supposed to have power here. Okay. What I want to do before we get the spark, I just want to put me the tester here, ignition on. I want to see if I have power here.
The one is bring power when you put the key on.
And here, you have power here?
One is bring power.
You have power, right?
Yeah, before.
Yeah, we're gonna
like the spot one.
No, I don't
no
need
coming.
No, I need the full power. I need the full power now. Hold on. Okay.
No, the full power was coming.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah.
Okay. So bring the coil. We need the
slide here a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it's there. We have no. I see it. Go from the other side. We have no spark.
Yeah, just the spark. Like the key.
No, the key is good. It could be the timing for this car too. If the time go bad, you can do that.
Yeah, but if timing is supposed to be bring some spark too.
No, sometimes not. Shut it down.
Let me see.
Okay, let me see.
No, wait, let me see.
Okay. Who's gonna start it? Okay. You can just get a magnet. You can get anything. You don't have the tester? There is some tester that.
Tester? No, you know, bring that one. No. Okay.
This one, we know what's going on now. Injector. Give me this. Get one injector. So we don't have no spark. I just want to see if we have injector pulse.
Okay, put light here. Let me see.
I gotta do that. You have the noise? No.
For the injector? Maybe put one bulb.
Yeah, put one bulb. They are sitting there. It's not easy to hold it.
Where's my boy?
He's doing one job. Put the light bulb. We're gonna check it. That's why I come to you. Huh?
No good boy. You don't come check.
Okay, let me do.
You're supposed to come
You are
check.
live. You are live now.
Huh?
You are live in videos.
Oh,
So, you are live in YouTube. Everybody see you. Your mom see you.
Huh?
Good, no?
That one?
Crank it.
I started.
Start it.
I started.
Maybe.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
No injector pulse, no coil, nothing.
Double contact.
That one is good.
Only
other
the
one-
spark have the problem.
Yes. No spark, no coil, no injector.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Now, if you fix the start, the car can start.
Yeah. Nothing is there. Can you take this one now? Oh. So now we don't have no injector pulse, we have no sparks. Some of those cars, they have signal going to the cluster to turn on the injectors. If that's the case, we're gonna look for it. If it's not, we have to check another engine computer, I believe. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.